Whew, good morning, people. Day 97. Wow. Oh boy, we came in early to Amazon to fill up a van, and then return my rental, and now heading back to work. Refreshing. Stay hydrated, people. It's gonna be a beautiful day. Ooh. Thank you, Kiara. Alrighty. That was a huddle right there. Now we're gonna do the DVIC for the vehicle that I have. I have Poi today, so yes, Poi, do me good, I do you good. That's all I ask. What you know about Whitney Houston? By the way, I came into this van, opened it up, and I see a quarter on this chair. And then thank you, Adi, for the snacks that you just gave me and the drink. I love them. It's ready to eat.
I love your special energy. Oh, baby, bring it out to me. Yeah, no fancy cars or diamond rings. Oh, baby, bring it out to me. Bring it on. Give me your time, your love, your special energy. Oh.
Real Slim Shady doing some sunscreen right now. Yeah, you. Hey, all for the safety. Yeah. Yeah, you. Look at that. And then right outside, Mr. Hawaiian himself. Let's go.
Yes, sir.
Looking beautiful as ever. Yeah. How you feeling today?
Better, man.
Yes,
Better,
sir.
man.
Yes, sir.
Okay, you be safe out there.
Will do.
Do what you do every single day.
Thank you.
You're the #1 driver.
Ah,
Yes, sir.
Thank
Yes,
you.
sir.
Raja, I
Take
see
care,
you.
brother.
Welcome back, Uncle Chuck.
Thanks, sir.
Yes, sir. Yeah, ladies and gentlemen, we're done for the day. Did my DVIC. Came back with 2 packages. Not gonna let no dog bite me. Nope. I had 2 roaming dogs and another one chained up, but looks like nobody wanted their package, so I had to return them. Maybe next time they'll have the dogs inside their houses. I don't know. But yeah, today was a good day. Let's go. Let's go, Asen! Let's go, Asen! Woo! No returns, baby. No returns. Yeah, you.